Welcome, gardening enthusiasts. In this video, we'll embark on a flavorful journey to grow cilantro from seeds right in the comfort of your own home. Cilantro, also known as coriander in some regions, is a versatile herb prized for its fresh, citrusy flavor that enhances an array of culinary delights. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting with your green thumb adventures, cultivating cilantro in pots is a rewarding and straightforward process. Let's dive in and discover the joys of growing this aromatic herb that'll add zest to your culinary creations. What is the best time to sow seeds? Start planting cilantro once all the dangers of frost are past. Then you can grow it successively from spring to fall. In warm temperate parts and much hotter regions, USDA Zone 8 and above, you can grow cilantro in winter too, with some care. The herb can tolerate light frost easily. Below Zone 8B, in much cooler regions, you can grow cilantro indoors in cold frames and hothouses and overwinter it. In a hot tropical climate, USDA Zone 10 to 11, cilantro grows best in fall and winter. However, it can be grown year-round in such climates as in many tropical and hot climate countries. Fresh cilantro leaves are available throughout the year, but you'll need to cope with the bolting problem. You may need to harvest quickly and provide shade in spring and summer. The best containers for growing cilantro. Choose a container that is at least 8 to 10 inches deep and has a diameter of 12 to 18 inches to provide enough space for root development. Make sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Most people choose too shallow pots for growing cilantro, but that's a mistake. For growing lush and full cilantro in a container, choose a pot that is at least 8 inches deep. Soil for container. Use well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. A mix of 50% garden soil and 50% compost or potting mix works well for cilantro. Ensure the soil pH is around 6.2 to 6.8, slightly acidic to neutral. How to sow seeds of cilantro. Fill the container with the prepared soil mix, leaving about an inch from the top. Sprinkle cilantro seeds evenly over the soil surface. Cover them lightly with a thin layer of soil or compost. Gently water the soil to settle the seeds in place. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Water the potting mix when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Sunlight. Cilantro thrives in full sun to partial shade. Place the pot in an area that receives at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. If you're in a hot climate, provide some afternoon shade to prevent the plant from bolting prematurely. Fertilizer. Compost tea is an excellent natural fertilizer for cilantro, providing a nutrient-rich boost for its growth. Apply the compost tea to the soil around the base of the cilantro plant, ensuring it receives a gentle, even soak. The organic matter and beneficial microorganisms in the compost tea enhance soil health. Regular application, about once every 2 weeks, can significantly benefit the cilantro by supporting its nutrient needs and overall health. Harvesting. Cilantro leaves can be harvested once the plant reaches about 6 inches in height. Use scissors to snip off the outer leaves, allowing the inner ones to continue growing. To encourage continuous growth, harvest regularly, but avoid removing more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.